Okay guys, today I will discuss about our crack repairing, that means crack or leak repairing. And when we will do our as usual structure, when we casting here, maybe we will happen some crack, or our in water retaining structure maybe happen in our leak portion, or when crack will happen, for this reason this crack will work as a leak in our water retaining structure. Okay, today's topic, how can we prevent, or how can we measure our crack, or how can we cure our crack by our chemical, and for before preparing our preparation, before I should say about our why will happen crack in our structure. Basically, there are many reasons for crack happening. Main reason is when we will use high water cement ratio. For this reason crack will happen. Beside another one thing, dehydration, that means rapid drying of our concrete surface. For this reason also crack happen. Beside for improper curing, when we cannot do our proper curing, for this reason also crack will happen. Okay, now I will discuss about how can we minimize our crack, or how can we prevent, or how can we treatment our crack by chemical. Okay, today I will discuss about our chemical Dr.Fixit. We have different chemical for crack repairing. Dr.Fixit crystalline, Dr.Fixit super latex, Dr.Fixit for all materials. Today I will discuss about crack repairing and how can we inject our chemical. Okay, now I will show you. Okay guys, now I will introduce you about different crack repairing chemical. This is Dr. Fixit waterproofing expert 302 super latex. By this chemical we will make our mortar, by which we can fill our crack portion. And rules of making our mortar: in 1 bag cement, that means 50 kg cement, we will use 1 bottle super latex. Okay, now I will show you another one chemical. Okay, for details we can see here Dr. Fixit 302 super latex, and areas of application also here given as bond coating, as waterproofing, repair, plaster, as crack repair, etc. here also given, and net weight of 1 bottle is 1 kg. Okay, now I will show you another one chemical. Another one chemical. This is our another one chemical, Dr. Fixit 207 pedicrit AM. By this chemical we will make our grout. Grout means one type flowable concrete. We will press this flowable concrete by our injection machine or pressure machine. Okay, this is our doctor. Here we can see Dr. Fixit 207 pedicrit AM, and this is also our waterproofing. Okay, now I will, and details we can see here, areas of application and feature and benefits also given here. Okay, now I will show another one. This is our simple type nozzle. That means at first we will find out our crack point, then after grinding, then we will push this nozzle, and after pushing this nozzle, then here we will set our pressure machine nozzle, we will be connected, then we will push our grout or inject our grout in our crack portion. Okay, this is small die, and this maybe length is 3 inch, something like that. Okay, now another one, and here we can see another one chemical box. This is Dr. Fixit 107 crystalline. By this chemical we will make our simple grout. Only this chemical we will make grout, and in our cracking portion we will brush it at first. Okay guys. Okay guys, this is our Dr. Fixit 107 crystalline. Actually this is our now empty container. Here we have no chemical. Actually we have transferred our chemical here. This is our Fixit 107 crystalline materials or chemical. By this chemical we will make our grout. Then we will paste we will brushing in our wall. Okay, that means this is our empty container. Here we will make our grout for injection, and we will make this grout by this chemical Dr.Fixit 207 predicate AM. স্যার আবার ফোন করছে, সেভ হয়ে গেছে কিন্তু ওখান থেকে তো আর শুরু করা যাবে না, এটা কাটা হয়ে গেল।